Welcome back, guys. In this session I'm going to show you that what is this method resolution order. Okay, this is a concept in inheritance. So now let's just say I have a class over here called as A, okay, which has a function called as addition. Now this addition function, let's say it has a value A, okay, let's say 20, and it has a value B which is also 20, and this function, when it is invoked or called, it gives us the values of A plus B, means it prints the values of A plus B. Okay, now let's just say we have class B over here, okay, and that too has the same function, okay, same function name called as addition, okay, and it has a separate value, let's say m equal to 40, okay, and n is equal to 40. Now this function, when invoked or called, it gives us the values of m plus n. So we have two classes over here. Now there is a class C which wants to inherit this addition property. Okay, so let's just say it is inheriting class A also, and it is inheriting from class B also. Okay, so this is an example for multiple inheritance where one child class inherits properties from multiple parents. Okay, now here I'm going to say pass. Now we will create an object of the C class like this. Okay, so a small c is a reference variable for this particular constructor. Okay, here let me change this to capital C. Okay, now using C, okay, I want to call the addition method like this. Okay, but there is addition in B class also, as well as there is addition function in class A also. Okay, now if I run this program, okay, see, it is saying, okay, one second, I have made a spelling mistake over here. Okay, let me just correct it off. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, see guys, method resolution order, and we are getting 40 as the answer, means this function, addition function, is invoked, not this which would have given us 80 as the answer. Okay, so now what if I change the order of writing these classes here? Okay, let me write B comma A. Okay, now let us save this, and if I run this, okay, now we are getting the answer as 80, means this function which was in class A did not get invoked. This function addition which was in class B got invoked, and m plus n, 80 is the answer we are seeing on the screen. Okay, so method resolution order always works from the left side to right side, how you write the inheritance class names. Okay, now suppose there is no addition function in the class B. Okay, there is only in class A. Okay, now if I run this, okay, see guys, first the class C is going to search for addition function in class B. Okay, if it is not there, then it will search here. Okay, now let us run this, and see guys, we are getting the output as 40. But if at all, okay, there is addition function in both the classes, okay, and let's say class B, okay, is inherited by C, not A. Okay, but I still want to get the property, addition property of class A from B class. Okay, what we can do is, inside the addition function of class B, we can say there is a super method. Okay, we can use that, okay, to call the addition function of class A, but this class B would have inherited class A then. So this A is a super class for class B now. Okay, and now when I save it, and let's say we run this program, we get the output 40 as well as the 80, means the child class B, okay, is calling the addition function of its super class, that is A, using the super calling statement. Okay, super is a function inside Python, okay, using which we can inherit or call the super class methods as well. So this is known as method resolution order. Okay, So thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next topics.